LSFM.
Congratulations and for Kim and Gerald. Kasi sa movie yung role niyo husband and wife and you have kids. Kayo ba napag-uusapan niyo na in real life kung how many kids yung gusto niyo?
Yes po.
Ako po, yes po.
Kailangan pag-usapan. Depende sa budget.
Yes po.
So how many kids yung gusto niyo?
For now, iniisip namin is kung ano muna yung ipagkaloob na una.
Yes.
We'll take it at a time lang na yun muna. And then kung bigyan ng pagkakataon at biyaya pa na magkaroon pa ng kasunod, why not? But for now, we have to focus on the reality and the perspective of every situation. So, nagpaplano muna kami ng isa. Parang ganun po.
So anong klaseng parents kayo? Magiging parents kayo?
Kala ko ano klaseng anak.
Hindi, parents. So
Parents po.
si Gerald ba yung i-spoil mo yung anak mo and si Kim, siya ba yung medyo tap na mother or baliktad?
I'm sure baka makukuha kay Kimi sobrang playful, tsaka sobrang sweet, tsaka adorable. Si Kimi sa bahay namin, pwede ko siyang panoorin lang, masaya na ako eh.
Teaching.
Kasi may ganun siyang energy. So imagine lang na pag halimbawa maliit na bata, makuha yung ganung energy kay Kimi. I think sobrang cute na.
Basta matalino po siya.
And alam naman natin yung magic niya sa takilya and yung galing niyo pagdating sa pagpapatawa. This time, anong magic naman yung pwede natin i-offer sa mga manonood ng movie niya?
Sarap. Magic
Sarap.
sarap.
Uy, bigyan men.
Ganon. Ano ba? Actually, the movie, well, every movie naman na gawin namin is either comedy or dramedy, always showcase somehow the talent that we have that we can show. But I think this movie will showcase more of Kim's prowess in terms of acting because this is the first time that she's gonna be portraying two characters as a lead, right? In one movie. So, dual character kasi to eh. And I think hindi lang ako, bias aside, even Derek and everyone else in the team that created this movie will agree that Kim really did a great job.
Thank you.